What is a charting platform for day traders or software that day traders have to use? Do you have a charting platform that you trade with? All right, people. All right, traders. What are we going to do? I am constantly asked about softwares, indicators, yet charting platforms is probably the most important thing to have as a day trader. Why? Well, mainly if you don't have a charting platform as a day trader, you might as well not technically trade, right? So I want to show you examples. What is the essence of a charting platform for a day trader? Okay, basically, the charting platform is the day trader's canvas, like an artist canvas or new or notes that musicians use. So this is what our charting platform looks like. This is what my charting platform looks like, right? This is the chart. You could be pretty simple. I know that a lot of you guys have seen day traders that have thousands of different monitors all over the place. Yeah, you know what? That's overrated. We do not need to have all of that. This particular charting platform that you're looking at, this is it. I use one chart, one. This is where I have all my indicators. This is where I can play around with all of my drawing tools. However, I cannot trade without my charting platform. It's kind of like telling a person to go swimming without a pool, right? All right, so you're going to do a couple of free strokes here and there. You have to continue straight on, yet you're standing on flat ground when you're telling the person to go swimming. A day trader needs to be on top of his positions, of their positions, of what is happening, exactly what the moves are going to be, what the candlesticks or the bars, the high-low bars, depending on what you guys prefer to use, are, how they're moving, are they retracing, are they going fast? How can you do that? Can you guess by numbers? Never. Day trader needs their platform. Okay, there's no guessing. So this is kind of like what I look at as my charting platform. Like I mentioned before, it's a canvas. I think of day traders as artists, right? An artist cannot possibly start drawing if they don't have a canvas. So our canvas is our charting platform. What you guys put on it, indicators, um, different profit targets, risks managements, the drawing tools, your text, your support resistance areas, that all is drawn on our canvas, on our charting platform. And that's exactly what this looks like. We're artists, right? Our paintbrushes are drawing tools, indicators, high-low sticks, candlesticks, what the way we read the markets, right? We have to actually highlight what's happening. We have to know where the resistance areas are, where the divergences are, where the reversal patterns are. And that's exactly what the charting platform allows us to do. Also, just a quick mention, if you guys don't know what support resistance areas are, what reversal areas are, divergences, please sign up for my free mini course. Please sign up for my free mini course. Please sign up for my free mini course, simplifyingdaytrading.com. The link is also below, simplifyingdaytrading.com. It's a free mini course, and if you don't know what support resistance areas are, divergences, the absolute basics of trading, please sign up for it now because you're not going to be able to succeed as a trader. These are the most basic languages and signs of day trading. So we have to use our canvas, our platform, to be able to draw and read what the market, what our chart is telling us, the charting platform. Okay? Just as a musician, What do they use? They use music notes. They draw different music on their music notes because that's where they read it from. We need to read our charting platforms. It is like our music note, it is like our swimming pool, it is the canvas for a day trader. We are the artists. We cannot play music, we cannot trade if we don't read notes, which we draw on our canvas, which is our charting platform. There are several different platforms. Some are free. Usually they're not super. The majority of them you will have to pay. You could either get it through one-time lifetime access, license fee, or some of your brokers have really good, strong platforms. Thinkorswim is a good example, or Ninja Trader is the one that I use. So it depends completely on what you guys are going to use. However, you have to have a strong software that you'll be able to have access to lots of different universal indicators. Please don't ever pay for indicators. Do not pay for indicators. Indicators is a universal free thing. If somebody's telling you indicators, big red blur booming light that they are scamming you. You should never pay for an indicator. So the only things you should be paying for, charting software and the feed. Because what is the feed? It's kind of like if you have a modem in your house, which is the charting platform, you now need to pay for an internet provider, the service of the internet to give you the actual internet. And that is what the feed is. So you have to pay for those two things. Sometimes the chart can be part of your broker, and sometimes the fee, it depends. The only things that are really important is for you not to buy software for indicators or indicators. All right, guys. Remember, if you do not even understand when I mention support, resistance, divergences, if you don't use a charting software, please sign up for my free mini course, simplifyingdaytrading.com. I go over all of that for absolutely for free. And you could also always contact me at thetraderchick.com, because without this, you cannot be a day trader. Having a charting platform is like an artist with his canvas. Now we need to create.